Coming up on Inimba this week, Zweleka is at Cosmo with Lazarus, wanting to discuss something very important noHlathi. So this means that Zweleka has finally decided to tell uHlathi ukuba ubavumile umntanakhe. Yo, usazogowa uThumeka usazogowa. Ngapha uHlathi usazostika ebhizi ngene ephuma kwaZweleka going umntana kaMabandla lo. Fanele imenzele imbeleko yakwamabandla, going on and on. Oh, he's going to play dirty, he's going to make their life difficult. The days of Lazarus being the best daddy are over because uHlathi is always going to remind him kuba mntanam lo awunangani awunamntana wena. Oh Thixo, kuningi Inimba kuningi. Ngapha tata Lazarus comes claiming to want to see umntana umzukulu wakhe, but Hlathi is there in the house. And then probably this is the time where he finds out ukuba ubavumile asiyena umntana kaSigcibo. And then Ulukhanya finds out about this and begs Zweleka to tell her this is, I hope this is not true, because Ulukhanya likes Lazarus. He thinks he likes Lazarus for Zweleka because finally Zweleka is with someone in her league. Akamzondi uyamqaphukela uHlathi le ngcukuthu ebhizi sakha edla imali emntana kubo. Oh, kuningi guys, kunimba. Ngapha Onga goes to Sydney's house with the police to raid his house. This means that uLwandle went to tell them that uSydney is behind the breach. So uSid ubanjiwe ngoku. I hope they find everything ingaphakwanga so that they get all the evidence and put him behind bars, because what is that? What is this is doing? Mhlengwe tells him, but if you continue this revenge, ngiyahamba mina. Meaning Mhlengwe is also going to divorce him. Yo, kuningi guys, please stay tuned. I'm going to keep you posted. Ngapha, there's someones that are going to come along kwaZweleka, probably uHlathi suing or wanting custody of ubavumile. Yo, kuningi nje. Ngapha, there's a drama emsebenzini uChawe noOnga. I think there's a spark that's going to bloom. Kuningi nje, please stay tuned. I'm going to keep you guys posted. I'm going to keep on updating. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.